Hey everyone, welcome back to Sparrowpod. I'm Adeep, your host today. We're diving straight into the deep blue. SDG 14, life below water. Most of us don't even think about the ocean unless it is beach holiday time, but it's literally keeping us alive. Joining me are my buddies Fawad and Umar, ready to make some waves? So, yeah, the first question. On a scale of 1 to 10, how healthy do you think our oceans are right now? Fawad?
Two or three because we have done many good things for the ocean, but there are many waste, pollution, oil in the ocean. So
That was a good answer. Umar, what's one ocean guilty habit you have?
I stay in the shower for too long, even though when I know I shouldn't. It's just small, but it eventually adds up.
Yeah, I do that the same thing. Why do you think students our age don't care much about the ocean, Fawad?
because it's far away, so it doesn't feel real. But if ocean was next to our school, I bet we'd care so much more.
If you could instantly fix one ocean problem, what would it be, Umar?
It would be all the pollution in the ocean, just removing all the waste from the ocean. Imagine crystal clear water being everywhere. The fishes will be happy again.
What's worse in your opinion, overfishing or coral reef destruction? Fawad?
Coral reef destruction because reefs are ocean cities. If they are gone, then tons of creatures lose their home.
Okay. What's one small ocean friendly habit students like us can actually do? Umar?
We should start small, like not throwing the trash on the street, because all of it eventually ends up in the ocean. Just being a bit more mindful helps a lot.
If oceans gave humans a report card, what grade would we get? Fawad?
We would get C because we are the one to cause waste, oil and all.
If you could be any sea creature for a day, which one and why? Umar?
I would be a dolphin. They are chill, the smartest creature in the ocean, and they move up in squads.
Oh, good answer. What's the scariest ocean fact you've ever heard? Fawad?
The scariest one is there's literally a garbage island in the Pacific Ocean that's bigger than a state in India, Maharashtra.
If you had one superpower to save life underwater, what would it be? Umar?
It would be to remove all the polluted water from the ocean. Just imagine all the polluted water gets sucked up from my left hand, and crystal clear water comes out from my right.
That's a great one. Protecting oceans isn't just for divers and scientists. It starts with what we use and what we throw away. If we wait for someone else to do, it will never happen. We'll be swimming in trash. Let's keep the ocean blue, not full of bottles. And that's it for today's drive. Take care of the water below because our future floats on it. Thank you.